Hello, Pat Skeets here from me and my Cricut.com. I thought today I would share how I go through the process of making a page. And this page happens to be the first time I've ever done a Lee France template. So I've prepped a lot of it so it won't be such a long video. Anyway, to begin with, this is the photo where I pulled all my color schemes from. I have an orange flowered top on here. So I was looking for an orange floral print and I found this one in this pad. It's called, it's from the Paper Studio, Peaceful Meadows, and I think that's it right there. Very pretty pad. I love florals. Anyway, so I chose a background or coordinating papers to go with it. So these are the papers I'm using for this page. I've gone ahead. This is the Lee France template. I decided to do this one instead of, I changed it a little bit, but it's the hexagon. So instead of using, I'm doing hexagons at the top, the middle, and the bottom on both sides. So I just used this part and cut that out here for 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3 from this one. So that's that. And this is what I ended up with. So now I have to do a coordinating page on the other side. So I decided on using this for my background. And I designed my page in Design Space, so I know what I'm doing here. I'm going to do a border in the middle like this. I only had an 8.5 by 11 sheet, so I just cut it because this is going to be covered here. And I found the most beautiful frame with a floral in Design Space. These were a new cartridge or a new image set. And I embossed this with this embossing folder. I don't know if you can see this. It's roses. I hope you can. I love it. I use these large ones for large items like this. I use my Teresa Collins Cut Emboss, but I'm not sure if it's still available. I'm really glad I have it though. And so I decided to cut my picture into an oval to fit into this, like that. So in keeping with the hexagon theme of what's happening over on this side, I made some hexagons for this side. I did them 3 layers right there and there. Now I'll center that. And then I made a small one with some gems for this page. And I'm going to put that up on risers over here. I also did a little title to put over here, My Girls. I guess I used a border punch. This is the Martha Stewart Pansy border punch to make this floral border, and I inked all around here. I inked the sections of the flower, but these were too tiny, so I didn't bother with those. But I inked all around the edges of these triangles and hexagons. And so this page is done. That was pretty quick. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll be posting this on my website in a while. Thanks for watching. Bye.